emergency financial aid totaling nearly $42 million from the 2025 Central Budget Contingency Fund has been approved to address damage from recent flooding. Under the decision, Khanh Hoa province will receive $5.7 million, Lâm Đồng province $11.3 million, Gia Lai province $5.7 million, and Đắk Lắk province $19 million to aid flood recovery. According to the latest figures from the Ministry of Agriculture and Environment, as of 9 a.m. November 23rd, 102 people have been reported dead or missing. More than 1,150 houses have been damaged and over 186,000 homes are flooded. In the agricultural sector, more than 80,000 hectares of rice and crops have been affected. Over 3.2 million livestock and poultry have died or been swept away, with the most severe losses recorded in Đắk Lắk.
Now, in recent days, human resources and supplies from across the country have been mobilized to support flood-hit communities. Emergency essentials such as food, drinking water, and medicine must reach the most vulnerable in the hardest-hit areas, while detailed plans are also needed for long-term recovery, including reconstruction and restoring livelihoods. This is a story reported from Khanh Hoa province.
In this riverside neighborhood along the Gai River in Nha Trang, floodwater has yet to recede. Most residents are low-income laborers, and the floods have pushed already struggling families into greater hardship. Local community teams step in, transporting essential supplies to ensure food and water reach those most in need.
Everyone here is struggling. Whatever support arrives, we are grateful for.
We prioritize support for households where someone is living alone or in severe hardship. Others receive aid afterwards.
The challenge now is delivering relief quickly to each household. The recent historic floods left 200 inundation points in Khanh Hoa, affecting 15,000 families. To avoid aid being concentrated only in easily accessible areas, the province prioritizes severely affected locations with urgent needs. Coordination teams have been set up in every commune and village.
Local coordinators deliver relief directly to residential clusters through interagency cooperation.
As of today, more than 10,000 boxes of essentials and food have reached flood-affected residents. Thanks to swift mobilization and well-coordinated distribution, support has been delivered in time to help families endure overwhelming difficulties.
Now, floodwater has receded in deeply affected communes and wards of Khanh Hoa province. Khai Minh, how are the localities coping?
Now, in Dien Dien and Dien Khanh communes, military forces, police of the locality, and units from the Ministry of National Defense and Ministry of Public Security have reached stranded households, supporting residents and authorities in post-flood recovery.
A few remaining kilos of rice and what Chung's family owned can no longer be used. Even the sacks of paddy they had lifted before fleeing the flood are now ruined. For farmers like her, these possessions represent a lifetime of toil.
I worked so hard for every grain of rice, but thanks to the soldiers who have helped us with the meals these days, I'm truly grateful.
In this small home, floodwater rose to the roof. The family's few modest belongings, the result of years of effort by Nam and her daughter, now lie buried in mud as she searches for anything salvageable.
Since I was 10, I've never known comfort. I've worked tirelessly my whole life. Now everything is gone.
More than 5,000 soldiers, police officers, and charitable groups have arrived in Khanh Hoa to help residents normalize their lives. Electricity has been restored in most inundated area. Hot meals, drinking water, and donated clothes are providing much-needed warmth to families who have endured days of hunger and cold.
We are so grateful for everyone's support and kindness.
Our top priority is ensuring people have enough food, clothing, and clean water. Essential supplies such as rice and safe drinking water must reach every household.
2,000 tons of rice have been allocated to Khanh Hoa province and will be delivered to residents within the following days. Clean water supplies are also being restored and expected to return within days, helping flood-hit communities regain stability as soon as possible.
Along with urgent relief, medical assistance is also being provided to Khanh Hoa province. 50 doctors and nurses from Ho Chi Minh City on Sunday provided medical examinations and treatment at the Provincial General Hospital and in flood-hit areas. The Department of Health also instructed hospitals and subordinate units to review their personnel and be ready to deploy disaster zones to offer checkups, distribute medicines, and provide medical advice when requested. 10,000 family medicine kits have been allocated to residents in Khanh Hoa to help them manage common illnesses and prevent infections.